Hey, my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back once again to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, this is your girl RosesGlam. So, on today's video is going to be our 25 or it's going to be our day 25 workout challenge. So, if this is what you want to see, grab your popcorn, sit down and relax. Let's do it together. And before we jump into that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly, please hit on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video or whenever we go live. So without further ado, I'm going to continue as usual with our skipping because it's my warm-up. I'm going to do 10 minutes today, unlike the other day I not like the other day I did 20 minutes. My legs are still hurting from that. Okay, so today I'm going to do 10 minutes. I'll go ahead to set it up. 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we'll jump into the next one. All right, so let's hit it up.
Rosie's Glam Lifestyle. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle go make you smile. With makeup on fleek, you go look so fly. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, outfits and more. The way you they make us they work out, they make us the feet on fire, they go from head to toe. Makeup they flow, outfit on fleek, everything they sleek, keep it fit and fabulous. Everything's so marvelous. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam YouTube channel. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam Lifestyle go make you so nice. Makeup on point, you go look so fly. Costumes and hair, we go make you day shine. The way you they make us they work out, they make us the feet on fire, they go from head to toe. Makeup they flow, outfit on fleek, everything they sleek, keep it fit and fabulous. Everything's so marvelous. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, from head to toe. Makeup they flow, outfit on fleek, everything they sleek, keep it fit and fabulous. Everything's so marvelous. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam YouTube channel. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam YouTube channel. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle. The way you they make us they work out, they make us the feet on fire, they go Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam Lifestyle, Rosie's Glam YouTube channel. Rosie's Glam Lifestyle. The way you they make us they work out, they make us the feet on fire, they go
have come to the end of the 25 workout challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you. And if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, what are you waiting for? Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time we upload a video and go live. Okay. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, and please leave your comments at the comment section. I would love to read them. And if you can help us share our video to any of your social media, we will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. Bye, and take care of you. And don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all.
RosesGlam YouTube channel.